clicked on this video because you want to do the work and you still want to achieve your life, even though you lack discipline a lot of times, like right now, because you're watching this video when you could be doing the work, so you're kind of procrastinating. But fair enough, you're at least looking for answers on how to solve your issue. You're better than people, most of people, but you can still be better than that by just doing the fucking work. But alright, fine, you're learning, that's good. So how do you now do the work even when you're not disciplined? It's actually fucking simple. You already heard this everywhere, but you didn't think about it, did you? It's called discipline. No, it's not just discipline. Oh, discipline, and I'll go do what I want. The thing is, you have to do what you know you need to do to get closer to your goals. And this today might be just recording videos. It might be just outreaching to people. It might be whatever the fuck. But you don't feel like doing it. You don't have that idea for the video. You don't know what to do, bro. Trust me. I've been in the same place and I struggled. Every fucking time when I went to record a video, I was like, I don't know what to record. I don't know how to place stuff in the video, how to make an intro, how to do this, how to engage clients, what to do, what to say, when to say, why to say it to engage the people. I didn't know jack shit. But you know what I realized? Even though I don't know shit, I have two options. Either not record a video and don't make any progress and pretend I'm trying to learn on YouTube while watching videos that maybe on the end don't even matter and don't even tell me how to get to achieve my goals, but I'm just procrastinating. That is one thing you can do. And the second thing is just get the fucking work done, bro. You will learn along the way. If you really want to learn, you go on YouTube with a specific reason to search a specific topic, specific type of video. Search specifically how the fuck to script my videos, how to get idea for videos, how to do the specific things so I can get more money. Specific things, and then you watch specifically that videos, and then in recommendations you might get some video telling you, oh, how to, I don't know, how to dress in your videos. Like, oh, that would be nice, no, but no, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this thing, and now I'm going to go apply it to my fucking real life. And so you should do that first, before watching other videos. You're not gonna click that other video, because you need to watch what is crucial for you right now, so you can go and move your business on. Because as long as you're procrastinating watching some videos, after you already learned what you're looking for, you're watching some videos because, oh, it might be nice to know that. Every fucking second you spend on that, your business is on hold. While you could be improving your business is just in maintaining position, or maybe even declining. Depends on what level you're at. And now you have a decision to make. You're not motivated to go and do that fucking work. So you rather procrastinate than watch videos. But you just picked your fucking life. You're never going to be successful. Alright, man, you decided. Either you don't, you go do it. Go do it if you want to be successful. Go do it. Why the fuck are you letting emotions define what the fuck you do? What are you, weak or something, bro? Go and fucking do the work. Click off this video right now and go do the work. Or you can pick to be a fucking loser and never succeed because, oh well, I don't really feel like it, but I'll do it later. Alright. Later will never come, bro. Later is too late. Later, someone else will take your opportunity because later is tomorrow and someone else is working today and he will take your viewers. He will take your clients. He will take your girl, your future wife. And you will be left with nothing. I know whose fault this is? Yours. And yours only. So get the fuck to work or stay a loser. Decision is yours, brother. If you really want to win in life, no matter what, shit's going to be hard. And remember, if you want to be separated from losers and become a winner, you must embrace the fucking pain or die. Ciao! Bah!